Kitchen, meaning a room or area where food is prepared and cooked. Synonyms: cookhouse, galley, culinary space. Sentence: the aroma of fresh bread filled the kitchen. Holy, meaning dedicated or consecrated to God or a religious purpose, sacred. Synonyms: sacred, divine, consecrated. Sentence: the ancient temple is considered a holy site by many. Predictable, meaning able to be predicted or foreseen. Synonyms: foreseeable, expected, anticipated. Sentence: the movie's plot was so predictable that we knew the ending halfway through. Chapter, meaning a main division of a book, typically with a number or title. Synonyms: section, part, division. Sentence: she finished reading the first chapter before bed. Minister, meaning a member of the clergy or a head of a government department. Synonyms: clergyman, pastor, secretary. Sentence: the minister gave an inspiring sermon on Sunday. Shallow, meaning of little depth. Synonyms: superficial, slight, depthless. Sentence: the children played in the shallow end of the pool. Unpleasant, meaning causing discomfort, unhappiness, or revulsion. Synonyms: disagreeable, uncomfortable, distasteful. Sentence: the smell coming from the garbage was extremely unpleasant. Accident, meaning an unfortunate incident that happens unexpectedly and unintentionally. Synonyms: mishap, crash, incident. Sentence: she broke her arm in a car accident. Cooking, meaning the practice or skill of preparing food by combining, mixing, and heating ingredients. Synonyms: culinary, food preparation, cuisine. Sentence: she loves cooking and often tries new recipes. Settle, meaning to resolve or reach an agreement about an argument or problem. Synonyms: resolve, fix, establish. Sentence: they decided to settle their differences and move forward. Manipulate, meaning handle or control in a skillful manner. Synonyms: maneuver, control, influence. Sentence: he knows how to manipulate the software to get the best results. Superior. Meaning: higher in rank, status, or quality. Synonyms: higher, better, greater. Sentence: her performance was far superior to the others. Payment. Meaning: the action or process of paying someone or something or of being paid. Synonyms: remittance, settlement, compensation. Sentence: she made the final payment on her loan. Baseball. Meaning: a ball game played between two teams of 9 on a diamond-shaped circuit of 4 bases. Synonyms: ball game, hardball. Sentence: they went to the stadium to watch a baseball game. Fiscal. Meaning: relating to government revenue, especially taxes. Synonyms: financial, budgetary, economic. Sentence: the government's fiscal policies aim to reduce debt. Limit. Meaning: a point or level beyond which something does not or may not extend or pass. Synonyms: boundary, restriction, cap. Sentence: she reached her credit card limit after the shopping spree. Container. Meaning: an object that can be used to hold or transport something. Synonyms: receptacle, vessel, holder. Sentence: the cookies are stored in an airtight container. Ladder. Meaning: a piece of equipment with steps used for climbing up or down. Synonyms: step ladder, staircase, stepladder. Sentence: he used a ladder to reach the top shelf. Breathing. Meaning: the process of taking air into and expelling it from the lungs. Synonyms: respiration, inhalation, exhalation. Sentence: after running the marathon, he was gasping for breath. Submit. Meaning: to present for consideration, inspection, or judgment. Synonyms: present, hand in, propose. Sentence: she had to submit her essay by the end of the week. And there you have it. 20 everyday words with their meanings, synonyms, and example sentences. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. See you in the next video where we'll explore even more amazing words in the English language.